Let's hop into it. We have here the GE top load washer. As you can see off the bat, you're gonna go back to a little bit more of the traditional controls. As far as the water level goes, it does have the auto sense, so it's going to essentially weigh the amount of clothes and then enter the water automatically. If you want to override that, you can use any of these additional cycles, and then you also have that deep fill option that people know and love, being able to control a little bit more of the water going into the unit. Here we have the different temperature controls, and keep in mind that this unit is only going to wash with cold water. You have your traditional controls through here, so getting all the different cycles from your normal to your delicates to your activewear, as well as a quick wash option. This unit does give you the opportunity as well to add a couple different options as far as extra spin, deep rinse, and extra rinse, and a wash boost. You have a large capacity of around 4.5, stainless steel interior, and a traditional agitator. So again, this is the GE top load washer that we have. Check out any of the Don's appliances to take a look and see if it's the right washer for you.